Very good morning, dear students. It's me, Danish Azam, Faculty of Social Science. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I'm going to start the chapter Story of Village Palampur, and this chapter is from Economy, class 9th. So, dear students, Palampur is an imaginary village that has all characteristics and attributes of any common village found in India. Through a story of village Palampur, we will try to understand and analyze which kind of production activities are being done in most of Indian villages. There are some points that I have given here. These are 3 points, and these 3 points will help you a lot. So 75% of Indians are living in villages, you know very well. So case study of a village like Palampur will help us to understand Indian rural economy. So we can say that most of people living in village are engaged in agricultural activities. Okay, so taking through different types of production activities in villages. So we can say that most of people living in village are engaged in agricultural activities, but there are also some shopkeepers, washermen, barbers and teachers. They are also living in villages, but they are engaged in their respective job. Hence we can say that they are engaged in non-farming activities. On the basis of the story of Palampur, we can say that majority of villages are engaged in farming activities, but few are also engaged in non-farming activities. So example of barber, example of washerman, example of shopkeepers are about non-farming activities. So now I'm going to describe question number 2. What is the aim of production? Write 4 requirements for production of goods and services. So these are 4 very important points, and now I'm going to describe every point one by one. So you know that aim of production is to satisfy our need and to provide things that we need to lead our life with happiness and ease. Okay, so there are 4 requirements for production of goods and services like land, labor, physical capital, knowledge and enterprise. You know that we need land on which factory would be set up. We also need labor that will work in that factory. We also need physical capital like machine, like building, like industry, like factory, and like money that we will use to produce goods and things. And last but not least, we also need knowledge and technology. Without them, we cannot make even a needle. Okay, so further we can also divide physical capital in 2 categories like fixed capital and like working capital. So fixed capital refers to machine, refers to building, refers to factory, refers to industry, and working capital refers to money and capital that we use in business enterprise. And now I'm going to describe question number 3. Question number 3 is write 3 aspects of farming activities done in Indian village like Palampur. So dear students, one of very important aspects of village economy is that 75% people are engaged in farming activities. There are 2 types of activities, farming activities and non-farming activities. So 75% people are engaged in farming activities in village economy. Okay, and remaining percentage of people are engaged in non-farming activities. Okay, and second point is that 100% lands found in villages are cultivable, on which people are growing various kind of crops. Okay, so with the help of new technologies like electric tube well like electricity, like tractor, like harvester, like high variety of seeds. Farmers are growing both rabi crop and both kharif crops. So farmers are growing both rabi crops like wheat, like barley, like gram, like pea, and they are also growing kharif crops like paddy, like cotton, like maize, like bajra, like soybean, like ground nut. So we can say that these are three important aspects of Indian economy, Indian rural economy. I hope that you understood all the points very well. Thank you. Bye for now. Khuda Hafiz.